Alright guys, we've been dealing with a leak on this sink here, and this is the drain right here. So the drain has a threaded fitting that goes on here, and it's got this gasket, and underneath here's where it connects up. This is the ring that tightens up on that bottom piece there, and it also has another gasket in there, and then this piece goes on to the bottom of it, and then it connects up to your plumbing trap and everything here. So what's been happening, it's slowly been dripping into this pan here. Same thing on the other side here. Both sinks have a little tiny drip on them. It drips maybe a cup of water in a week, something like that, but it's annoying enough. You don't want any water leaks at all. So this rubber ring is not doing the job apparently. So the way to fix it is to get some plumber's putty and roll it out into a bead like this here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna set it in here like so. Make sure it goes all the way around though. I'll have to make that a little longer or thinner, and then bed your drain into that. So I have to roll that out some more yet. Yeah, just take your plumber's putty and you can lay it on your countertop and just kind of roll it out. Push it as you're rolling it, see how it's getting thinner. You can kind of stay in one spot, like it's a little thicker right there, so I could just keep rolling in its one spot. It's a little thicker here. Kind of roll and slide your hand that way as you're rolling. And eventually, you have a nice long little snake here. Yeah, it's rolling out. That should probably do it. Now, take that and place it over the hole, or you can put it around the base here, like so. It's hard to do one-handed. Go around it, trim it up so there's no overlap there, and then tighten everything up and check it for leaks. Okay, I've got the little snake on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the hole and press down. Should have enough in there that's going to ooze out a little bit, and this is going to, as you run hot water in your sink, it's going to soften up, so you may need to come up under and tighten it a little bit here and there. So there's your stub we just put in, and you can see, I don't know if that right there is the putty. It's already oozing out on the bottom. So I try to get the drain centered in there too. It wasn't quite centered, but now it is. Okay, one thing I'm noticing with this sink, I've done this in the past, the recess for the flange is not real deep down into the sink. Most sinks, the flange will sit lower. If you notice, this is sitting higher than the actual sink, so it's something to do with this sink. Like they didn't flange it out real deep. This is the maker here. I'm not sure what. It's a double wide trailer, and that's what came with it. So they put kind of inexpensive stuff into these trailers. Try to make them as cheap as possible. So I think I figured out what the problem was, why this was leaking when they had this gasket underneath these drain pieces. If you look, the way all the pipes are cut, the way they fit together, it ends up pulling this piece a little crooked, just the way the pipes are. See the spacing over here to the spacing over there, and this lip is sitting up a little higher than that lip, so I think that's the problem. The drain pipes underneath were not cut perfectly, and then it ends up pulling that drain piece a little crooked, and that's why it was leaking with just this gasket in there. But the good thing about this plumber's putty, it'll take up bigger gaps and it'll work fine. You can see it oozing out on that edge here. I can come back and just peel that away later. But with the hot water in there, just come back and tighten it a little bit. But that's probably what the problem was. We bought this place, this double wide, brand new, and it's been kind of having a little small drip on it ever since we got it, and I'm finally getting around to fixing that. But that's it, guys. You need just to get some of this plumber's putty. It'll seal it up for you.